Rosemary Ranch Chicken Kabobs ingredients. Get Skewering, the ultimate Rosemary Ranch Chicken Kabob guide. Hey there, fellow food lovers. If you're searching for a simple, flavorful, and crowd-pleasing meal, let's dive into the wonderful world of Rosemary Ranch Chicken Kabobs. These juicy bites of chicken bursting with tangy ranch and the woodsy aroma of rosemary are guaranteed to make your taste buds sing. Whether you're firing up the grill or heating up the oven, this recipe is a surefire winner. Let's talk ingredients. Serves 4 chicken, 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch cubes. The marinade. Half cup olive oil. Half cup ranch dressing, your favorite brand. 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon freshly chopped rosemary, or 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Optional additions. Feeling adventurous? Spice things up with these fun add-ins. Veggies, bell peppers, onions, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, get creative. Garlic, a few minced cloves add a delicious punch. A touch of sweetness, a drizzle of honey or a tablespoon of brown sugar for a caramelized twist. The magic of marinating. The secret to perfectly succulent chicken kebabs? A good marinade. Here's how to do it. Mix it up, whisk together all your marinade ingredients in a large bowl. Chicken bath, add the chicken cubes and give them a good toss to coat evenly. Chill out, cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, but ideally a few hours, or even overnight for maximum flavor infusion. Skewer time. Soak. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent them from burning on the grill. Get creative. Thread your marinated chicken onto the skewers, alternating with veggies if you're using them. Cooking methods, you choose. Grill master, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Grill the kebabs for 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until the chicken is cooked through and lightly charred. Oven baked, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, place the kebabs on the sheet, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until fully cooked. Tips for kebab perfection. Don't crowd the skewers, leave a bit of space between the chicken pieces and veggies for even cooking. Baste is best, optional. For extra flavor and a beautiful glaze, brush the kebabs with any leftover marinade during the last few minutes of grilling. The juicy test. Ensure your chicken is done by checking that the juices run clear when pierced. Let it rest. After cooking, let your kebabs rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making them extra tender. Flavorful pairings. Rosemary Ranch Chicken Kabobs are an incredibly versatile dish. Try these tasty side options. Classic combo. Rice or quinoa with a side of roasted vegetables. Salad delight, a fresh garden salad or a tangy coleslaw. Bread basket. Warm pita bread or crusty rolls for dipping. Get saucy. Take your kebabs to the next level with a dip. Some delicious options include a dollop of extra ranch dressing, creamy garlic aioli, zesty barbecue sauce, spicy sriracha mayo. Elevate your kebab experience. Ready to take your Rosemary Ranch Chicken Kabobs to gourmet heights? Here are some fun ideas. Bacon wrap, because everything is better with bacon. Stuffed peppers, use mini bell peppers instead of skewering. Fruit fusion, add chunks of pineapple or mango for a sweet and savory combo. I hope this guide has inspired you to get grilling, or baking, up some sensational kebabs. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and experimenting with flavors. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen and make these Rosemary Ranch Chicken Kabobs your own. Want to up your culinary game even more? Hit that subscribe button for tons of tasty recipes and cooking inspiration.